Is appearance a big deal to you as a entrepreneur or an online marketer? Do you need to see people flashing, money, cars, or whatever not for you to trust them? Today I'm gonna have that discussion with you guys because I was having this discussion with a friend of mine today. Khamoya Gordon here from KhamoyaGordon.com. And as usual, I'm in my car because I love my truck and I feel very comfortable in it. So, real quick, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I make a post. I cleared my back seat out. So, I don't have my pillow in there no more that I sleep with, my body pillow when I sleep over at the base and stuff, and I don't have my bags in. So, nothing in the back to distract you guys. Okay, so let's hop on in the topic now. So, today I was having a discussion with my friend, and she was like, so what do you do when you're doing your videos? I say, same thing I'm doing right now. I just hop on in the video, bam, record, and go. So she's like, Moya, so don't you like put makeup on? You put, wig on or something? I said, no. Because, well, she asked why. I said, I come to people as I am. This is me on a day-to-day basis. I'll get fancy like, if I have to go to an event or whatever not. But this is me. I'm a simple entrepreneur. I'm very simple. What I do with the money that I earn is travel. And I take care of my mom and my aunts. I give them the option to let them know, you just work, if you do your 9 to 5 because you enjoy it, not because you have to do it. This is me, guys. I don't do jewelry. I'm not flashy. I have my own crowd. You understand? There are other people that like flashy things. I mean, I drive a nice vehicle. I live in a nice house. And that is all I ask for, in life. I love to laugh. I'm very, very goofy. If you follow me on my Facebook page, you'll see the link will be down below also. You'll see how goofy I am. I'm very straight up. I'm going to tell you how it is. Everybody's not my crowd. Everybody will not be, drawn to me as an entrepreneur. That's okay. I have my own crowd. And that's just how it is. Guys, you have to, whoever is watching this right now, you're watching it because you want to learn how to make money online. You're watching it for, to be out of the whatever disposition you're in as it relates to money, right? Money is the issue. Now, when you start making money, you don't need to be flashing money. You don't have to. I don't. And I'm making money. But I use my money to travel, right? In this lifetime, I just want to hang out with my friends, travel with my friends, and have fun. A lot of laughter. That's who I am. That's the entrepreneur that I am. I drive a nice car. Yes, I actually like big vehicles, right? And my concern when I'm driving a vehicle, guys, is safety. That's it. Like, if it gets a hit, how safe am I inside that vehicle after it gets hit? Whether it be from a trailer or just a bike. I don't need my car to be blowing out of fumes or, I don't need all that. So I'll buy my vehicle accordingly. And from ever since, people know that I love big vehicle. And I'm muscular. So, stepping out of a small car, it just doesn't look proportion, guys. I'm sorry. I'm all about proportions as it relates to that. But everything else it's quite simple. I am the simple entrepreneur. I am that simple soldier entrepreneur. And I'm okay with that. If you're watching this video and you need to see me flashing, money all over the screen, for you to believe in the program that I'm in, I'm sorry to disappoint you. You're going to have to go to that video that's going to provide that flashy ooh-rah-ray, because that's not me. And I'm telling you, the system, I'm an affiliate, and the system that I am with, it has proven over and over to be a great system. And as I said in my video yesterday, I'm not going to say, oh, this is the best or this is the best. The best is what you put in. Anything can make you money out there online, but it depends on the effort that you put in. If you are with the quote-unquote best system and your effort that you put in is shitty, guess what? You ain't going to make shit. That's it. Point blank, period. I need you guys to understand when you come on here to watch my video, I'm interested in teaching you guys how to make money online. I'm interested in leading my pack. You guys are my pack. I'm interested in leading you to that financial freedom, you know, that life that you don't have to worry about your rent or whatever not. I'm not interested in showing you or flashing to you what I got. Why? Oh, that's going to motivate you because I can flash all my stuff? That's not good. That's not good. What's good, what I think would be ideal, is you practice what I'm telling you. You use my system. And then from there on, if you follow my videos, watch my videos, and you follow the step-by-step requirements to the T, it's a guarantee that you'll get results. No ifs, ands, or buts. I'm telling you. I'm not going to come on here and flash to you guys. I'm not going to come on. Listen, there's some days that you're going to catch me in makeup, right? But for majority of the time, this is me. No makeup. My head banging. Because, oh, I'm going natural. Oh, my gosh. It's a journey. My hair's like... I just did a wash and you guys don't want to see it. It's and it's so hard to comb through. But I'm slowly getting better at that. I don't know. I'll probably put back some chemical in it because it's hard to maintain. Natural hair is very hard to maintain, but that's for another video. But yeah, so you'll always get me like this. You'll always get me when I'm comfortable. I'm not going to hop in front of this camera and pretend. This is me. You either take it or leave it. What do you want from this video? You want to learn how to make money online? I got you. I am doing this out here. We don't need all the makeup to tell that I'm doing this out here. I am doing this out here. You know what I mean? So that's what I wanted to discuss with you guys today. We don't need flashy cars or all that thing to say that we're making money. My house, my car proves that there's something that's making me money, guys. It's not just the military. It's not just the army that's making me all this money, guys. There are benefits, but the money is very poor. Y'all should know that. You know what I mean? So, with that being said, guys, thank you for hopping on. Oh, before I go, is it swag bucks? Swag bucks, guys. If you're not making the money now, if you hit my link below and you don't have the money to invest, swag bucks is a free method. You go online, check it out. I'll see if I can find a link for you guys. But swag bucks is a great way to make money. You don't put in anything. You work. You probably type out something or whatever not, and they pay you just to do that. You know what I mean? I'll leave a link below if I can find something, or if not, if I can't find it now, I'll come back to it and drop it in. So be sure to come back and check it out if it's not put in there right now, guys. So there you go. I drop a nugget where you can make money and save it up, and then you invest in my company that I'm with. It's the best. It's the best. I'll leave the link below in the description where you could go and check my business out. My company out. I have no problems. I have no complaints. So I guess I'm doing something right. I guess my company is doing something right. Okay, guys, that's all for now. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you'd like me to discuss. in my future videos. If you'd like me to discuss anything different from what I'm doing now, I'll see what I can do. Send me a friend request on Facebook. My link is also below in the description. Shoot me a message. Let's get goofy on Facebook. Guys, I'm goofy. I'm funny. Share funny videos with me. I laugh all day. Give you a shout out on my videos for putting a smile on my face and stuff like that, guys. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe. Hit the bell. And let's start this party. Hit my link below. Sign up with my company. Let's make some money. All right, guys. Until next time. Bye.